Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing the car so you can work safely and efficiently. First, chock the opposite wheel and set the parking brake. These prevent roll. Once done, brake lug nuts about 1/2 turn while wheels are grounded to avoid spinning. Next, lift the car with a correctly rated jack, then position jack stands under the manufacturer jacking points. This supports the load while you work underneath. Make sure the suspension is at rest, so the sway bar link isn't under tension before continuing. You now focus on detaching the old sway bar link carefully because alignment and components matter. Begin by spraying penetrating oil on nuts and studs. Let it soak so bolts release. Then hold the stud with an appropriate wrench to prevent spinning and remove the nuts and mounting bolts. Once free, pull the link out. If the link is stuck, tap the sway bar or control arm lightly to free it. Before installing, compare new link length and bushing orientation to the old part so geometry stays correct. You finish by fitting the new link with bushings properly seated and any spacers aligned. This ensures correct movement and prevents binding. Hand start and then torque the mounting nuts to the manufacturer's spec. Excessive preload can cause premature wear. Once done, retorque wheel lug nuts after lowering the car and take a short drive to confirm there's no clunking or wander. If you hear noise or feel looseness, stop and recheck torques, bushing orientation, and that spacers or washers are in the original positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.